Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for the best reviews and insights on must-have home tech. Today, we're diving into the best water heater tankless electric instant hot system you can get right now, the ECOTOUCH ECO140S. Let's start with what makes this unit a game-changer. The ECOTOUCH is a 14 kilowatts, 240 volts electric tankless water heater that delivers instant and endless hot water on demand. No more waiting, no more lukewarm interruptions. Just a continuous flow of 120 or hotter water in mere seconds. Whether you're in the kitchen, laundry room, RV, or even a garage, this compact unit is ready to supply you with comfort wherever you need it. What stands out immediately is its smart self-modulating system. The ECOTOUCH doesn't just heat, it thinks. It adjusts power input automatically based on your water flow and temperature setting. This means you're getting optimized energy usage with no risk of scalding and no surprise spikes in your electricity bill. In fact, with a 99.8% energy efficiency rating, this heater can save you up to 60% compared to bulky tank-based models. Using it is a breeze. It features a modern touch control panel that clearly displays all the info you need: temperature, status, and more. You simply set your desired temp, and the ECOTOUCH takes over. No fiddling with knobs or waiting for the unit to catch up. This smart interface makes it friendly even for first-time users. Safety is front and center with this design. Built with ETL certification and UL qualifications, it includes leakage protection, over-temperature protection, high-voltage protection, and dry heating protection. Inside, the water and electric lines are kept completely separate, which reduces risk in maintenance. Installation-wise, the unit is compact, sleek, and meant for point-of-use applications. It fits snugly under a sink or in small utility spaces. It uses a 1x60 AMP double-pole breaker and requires a 1x6 Aruban Florins, 2-wire with grounding. The plumbing connections are standard 1/2 NPT, and the whole unit weighs just over 14 pounds. That makes setup pretty straightforward for any licensed electrician. Aesthetically, this water heater doesn't disappoint either. It features a tempered glass front panel in clean white that blends seamlessly into modern home environments. It's not just an appliance, it's a stylish utility upgrade. In a world where energy bills are climbing and efficiency is key, the ECOTOUCH gives you exactly what you need: fast, reliable hot water, intuitive controls, premium safety features, and serious energy savings. So, if you're tired of cold showers or wasting water waiting for it to heat up, this might just be the smart upgrade your home needs. The ECOTOUCH is the best electric tankless instant hot water heater you can get, and it's available now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want us to compare this model to others on the market. See you in the next one.